It's an amazing changing landscape. We're one of the earlier InsureTechs around and started, so I'm just so excited to see all types of other entrepreneurs come in. Insurance is fundamentally good for people and communities, especially life insurance. We're helping fund the resilience of families and communities. So it's neat, and there needs to be more innovation. It's too important to be left behind from regulation, left behind from innovation. And what's great is I think people are understanding that from a regulatory perspective as well, and they want to meet us so that we can meet what the consumers really need.
I'm only 7 years into this. I came from a career in public service, law enforcement, and being part of this on the ground floor and watching the interest and watching the enthusiasm of the insurance industry embracing the concept of InsureTech and quickly learning about all the cutting edge solutions that's been developed and the how better they can make their business process and succeed.
I think we spent the first day talking about autonomous vehicles, and that has huge implications not only for the insurance industry, but for society and for many other industries as well. So that's one that we all need to be thinking about and what those impacts are going to be on our economy, on our businesses. Cybersecurity is another one that we're going to be dealing with really forever now, and we need to be thoughtful about that.
That's right. I mean, even if you look back in the last 5 years and what's changed in financial services on any of the issues that we've touched today, it's night and day. And if you think 5 years out, I mean, one can only imagine. I mean, the technology, that you see in the autonomous vehicle market that we touched upon earlier in the program, I mean, 5 years ago it was sort of more in a concept phase, and today Waymo has cars, 100 cars driving daily, that are up and down this entire Mountain View area. So it's pretty amazing the advances, and in 5 years it's probably going to be much more integrated into society. So regulators have to stay on top of that and think about ways that we aren't playing catch up, but are sort of staying with the trends or even ahead of them to the extent that we can.
Being on the cutting edge of listening to the emerging markets and the issues that they may have and the regulatory issues, and being able to provide insight into that, I think is the right space for us to be. It's we need to be where the puck is going, not where the puck has been.
Insurance, like everything else, is a work in progress. It's an evolving marketplace. Regulators need to stay up with changes as they come, especially in technology, and so we can make sure that our companies are properly regulated, but more importantly, our consumers are protected properly.